Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at a new style from Raquel Welch. This is Ahead of the Curve and the color is SS Spice, which is SS3028. This wig was provided to me for review from wigstudio1.com, so be sure to go over there and check it out. Ahead of the Curve. Let's see. Now, I want to tell you before I get started, these are not heat-friendly fibers. So just so you know that in the beginning, these are not heat-friendly fibers on this style. Okay, it's packaged like that. Can't wait to try this color. Get it out of the bobby pins. There's two bobby pins in here, holding it together, holding it in the box. All right, let's see. Let's look at, it has an extended lace front into a left mono part. Well, it's going to be a little permatease here, but it doesn't feel like much. It has closed ear tabs. This has the memory cap 3. Make sure you see that. Extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters. I like this memory cap. You know, it eventually really just molds to your head. It's really very nice. All right, and then let's look at this color. Oh yeah, SS Spice. So pretty, oh my goodness. So this has a darker root, as you can see. And then it's light auburn, and it has these, I would say Irish red highlights running through it. This looks choppy on the back. Let's see how that looks on when we put it on. But I love the highlighting. Look how pretty this is. Okay, I'm going to shake it a little bit. Let's try it on, see what we have here. Okay, first of all, it fits me well. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I feel like that fits well. Oh, this color is so pretty, this Spice. SS Spice. All right. I'm going to spray mine. As you know, I'm always going to spray mine with a little water just to control these flyaways. Again, these are not heat-friendly fibers. So if you're not a fan of heat-friendly fibers, keep that in mind on this one. Yeah, choppy ends. I can see that. Fits me well. Like I said, I haven't done, you saw, I just took it out and put it on. I didn't have to do any adjustments. I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and I'm just going to brush through it. Now, looks like it's a little longer on the front. Let's have a look at this lace front. Make sure you always get a good look at that. Coverage is excellent. There's my bow hair. You can barely see it there or there. Yeah, choppy ends it looks like. This color is so pretty. So this has a little wave. Can you see that? Super, super layered. I mean, I'm just looking at all the layers here. Again, no permatease really to speak of. There is a little here. Let me feel around. A little at the nape, not a lot, but there is some at the nape. And there is a little bit right here, but it is minimal. It's not a lot. You can tell this is very, very sleek here. Just minimal. Very little. Yeah. Okay, let's look at it in outdoor lighting. All right, let's talk about the specs. The bang on this is 7 inches. So you'll know it has this longer bang. The crown is 7.5. The sides are 7 on this one. The back is 8 inches and the nape is 3.75. So you see how layered this is, how choppy this is. Again, and it weighs 3.5 ounces. I just wanted to give you another look at the inside of the cap. It has the extended lace front down into the ear tabs, into this left mono part, as you see. Closed ear tabs with stays, again, memory cap, extended felt nape, and Velcro adjusters. And like I said, there is some stretch here, but look at this beautiful color, SS Spice. Wow. Really. Thanks guys for joining me today. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Be sure to turn on those bell notifications so you never miss an upload. I usually try to post a video at least once a week, and I post every day on Instagram, some different wig content every day over at Crazy Wig Lady on Instagram. So be sure to join me over there. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time.